Okay, what we got first?
Well, actually I'm bringing two things.
Two items.
So we were able to get a visor, and that's awesome because mine right here is cracked. And
You want to
so
show it to them?
Stay in very well. This piece on mine is cracked.
Yeah, we got that one for the.
So
we got a beige one, but we found a nicer one. That one works better.
Yep, mirror looks good on this one.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
So yes.
All right, and
really super.
Oh man, these pieces, I know.
These are the whipped cream on top of the icing.
Yeah.
Yeah, these brackets.
Yeah.
Because you guys saw on the other videos that these brackets were completely disintegrated, not usable at all. And interestingly enough, there's no part number for these. So we've kind of come to the conclusion that if you had to get a new bumper for your Hyundai, these came with it.
Yeah.
There's no part number for these brackets.
Nope. No part number for them.
Nope.
Super.
So there's those.
Those are awesome to have.
Yes, they are. The vent.
Yeah, that thing.
I don't know if any ever noticed, but in Tina, one of these is broken, and it just hangs down.
You can't fix it.
It works, but you can't fix that.
Nope, you can't fix it.
We were able to. Brian was able to pry this out of a dashboard, and no damage, and it's in beautiful condition.
Yeah.
The foam looks good on it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We got. I know that was a long drive for the few items we did need, and then we ended up getting lucky enough to find them.
Yep.
I know. Oh, but this part here. Oh man, there it is. There it is.
Hyundai factory fender. There's
the hallmark.
There's the little hallmark right there by my finger.
Super. Yeah. That's and it's the real deal. That's the one.
It's the real deal. There's no damage.
It looks like there's no dents on it or nothing.
No,
it looks,
I can't really see nothing. I mean,
the bottom. That's the bottom. This is the part here. We'll show them this part. It's just got a little bit of surface rust on it, but it's not punched through at all anywhere. We can save that.
Right.
I know. That in itself, that fender,
Isn't that awesome?
Man, that's the one to have right there. 13 cars, and that was
13 cars, and out of 13 cars, only one fender was usable.
Yep.
So,
just literally one.
Totally.
So there's that.
There's that, and then we got one other thing.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we didn't go up there for these, but the headlights in Brian's are...
They're leaking water.
Yeah, they're horrible.
And they're aftermarkets.
They're crappy.
Yeah.
And we found original Hyundai headlights.
Yeah, completely freaking nice. They just need to be they just need to be pre-finished.
Yes.
Yeah, I was when I fixed my car, it was one thing that sucked about those was getting those pieces.
Yeah. Because
they were expensive back in the day.
Yeah.
And I just got aftermarkets, and they were just fine, but having an original set,
these are
they are really good.
These are really nice.
I'm totally looking forward to cleaning those up. We got 2 sets of headlights to polish now at this point, but
we do.
They're clean. That front of that car was really clean. That that grill was nice. Like that car was, unfortunately, that fender was rotted out on that one. We would have had that one too, but.
Yep. So yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So that was our junkyard score today. There's all of our parts and pieces, and this fender though, this is.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to going over that fender and seeing if where that hallmark is. Let's walk over there quick and look. Let's look.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's look. All right. So here we are. Now we didn't see it on this fender, but
no.
Where is it at? Where's that little? There it is, right there.
Right there.
So it's right there. So Gales does have the original fender on it. We knew that.
I do, yeah.
We just didn't find the hallmark. We didn't know because the passenger one, it's stamped on a different spot of the car.
It's up top.
You know, it's funny. You're holding that fender. Does that other fender feel like that the same weight?
That one feels a slight bit heavier, but it's also
got the bottom piece. We cut that off because this is where they all rotted off right at the bottom of it.
Right.
Yeah, that fender's completely repairable. If we could have found a piece of that.
I know.
I mean, if it was a vintage car, you could buy these pieces to fix that.
Right.
So that's that. We got an OE one finally. Awesome.
Fantastic. Well, that was a good trip to the junkyard.
That was worth
it was worth the drive.
That was what, an hour and a half one way. So that was 3 hours round trip.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I know.
We got what we needed.
All right. Fantastic.